Step 2. Create a simple melody using quarter notes in the key of F major using the treble clef or the bass clef. Use plenty of steps, notes that go next to each other, some skips, notes that skip every other note, some leaps, consecutive notes larger than a skip. It is cliché or common that if you leap up, you then step down, and if you leap down, you step up. Assign scale degree numbers to your melody. So let's get started. We'll open up Smart Music. We'll log in. Now we need to find our file that we saved. So I'm going to go to Content Manager. And then I have my theme and variations with my name on it. And I'm going to go to Edit. You'll notice that there's already a given note, an F, a given note here, a C and a C, and a given note here and here. As I mentioned before, there was a mistake with the file when I originally started. In case you missed this correction, I'm going to go through this right now. All you have to do is make sure you have your cursor tool. So I'm going to go back up here, click on my cursor tool. This is a selection tool. I'm going to click on this note and I'm going to drag it down so that's an F. So now that everything sounds the way it should. These are all unison. So if you decide to write a melody on your treble clef, that's fine, or bass clef, that's fine. Let's go ahead and listen to this. So these are pretty common kind of start. We have a start here, a concert F. We have a middle, a concert C, and then we end on a concert F. It's pretty common also that we would end on 2-7-1. That's what a common cadence point. Cadence is the end of a musical phrase. So let's go ahead and just realize, right, this is scale degree 1. This C is scale degree 5. And again, then we have 2-7-1. So now our objective here is to add quarter notes and create a melody that gets us from point A to point B and back to point A, concert F. So I'm going to click on a concert F, or I'm sorry, the quarter note tool up here on the top. And I'm going to choose treble clef for right now, and I'm just going to start adding notes. Notice I go up, up, down. I chose to then skip up, down, 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 up, down, skip. I'll keep going. I'm going to kind of follow with a similar pattern. Again, I'm using more steps than I am skips. Here's a leap down. And a skip up. And you'll notice here that when I leaped down to this G, I stepped up. All right, now let's listen to my theme. I'm going to click on that note. Sounds pretty good. Gotta go ahead and hit pause. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So I'm going to file, save often. I'm not going to edit my name. Just going to leave it as it is. So now I'm going to continue using. Now I'm going to label all of my scale degrees. So I'm going to go up to text and go to the feather with the ink pen. And I'm going to start typing in the numbers as they're associated with the scale degrees, and I can use the space bar on my keyboard to move forward. So this is scale degree 1, 2, 3, 2, that's 4, 5, 4, 3, that's 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. I'm going to scroll down. This is 6. This is 7, 8, or 1. So I'm going to put actually a /1. And then 7. And then that's a 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. I'm sorry, 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 7, 1. Let's go ahead and listen to that again. Before I do that, I am going to save so I don't lose my work. Continue using. Sounds good. I'm satisfied with that. I'm going to go ahead and save again, just to make sure. And then that is the end of step 2.